When you buy pre-made hamburgers, they never taste the same as homemade ones. This is the easiest way to make hamburgers at home, and you don't even need to clean the pan. It takes max 30 minutes from start to finish. For each pound of ground meat, I use 1 large onion. Using the largest side of a grater, shred the onion. To avoid burning your eyes, do this on the stove with the hood fan turned on. Add black pepper to taste, pink salt, and sea salt. You can add more seasoning if you like, but honestly, this is enough. Add half a cup of olive oil for each pound of meat. You can use fresh ground meat or frozen. Just make sure it's fully defrosted. Keeping frozen ground meat in the freezer lets you make hamburgers all year round. Knead everything well until fully combined. You can let the mixture rest in the fridge for about 1 hour before cooking, or you can start cooking right away. Preferably don't keep the mix raw for more than a day. When you leave it in the fridge, it might not look red on top anymore. That's completely fine. Cut a piece of parchment paper to fit your pan. Fold it into quarters and cut the corners off. Heat the pan on maximum to get it hot, then lower the heat to about 6. If that feels too high, you can bring it down to around 4 so it's more manageable. You can make 3 super burgers in a big pan. Stay tuned, there is more tips coming for regular burgers and mini sliders. To reduce the smell in the house, lean an aluminum pan between the stove and the fan so the fan pulls the air upward instead of letting it spread through the kitchen and house. Don't walk away from the stove. It only takes a couple of minutes. I was just a bit late and one side overcooked slightly. You can also make 4 regular-sized burgers in one pan. Watch my hands closely. By rotating the meat, you can easily shape it into a round patty and gently flatten it. You can also fit about 8 mini sliders into one pan. Since the food isn't in direct contact with the pan, aluminum or scratched non-stick pans are fine to use. This tray really reduces the hamburger smell. One reason I disliked cooking was the noisy hood fan and the smell sticking around. With this parchment paper method, a quick rinse is all you need to clean the pan. Look how clean the pan is under the parchment paper. Again, don't stray far from the stove. About 5 to max 8 minutes is enough before flipping. It's fast, easy, and practical. You can keep ground meat at home, and with just an onion, you can make a fresh homemade burger anytime in any season. Everyone loves these burgers. I've honestly never met anyone who gets tired of eating hamburgers. Since they cook so quickly, you can even make them fresh in the morning for school or work lunches. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends and family. Enjoy your homemade hamburgers and have a wonderful day.